Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is scan my CVS card right over here at this little red machine. It's called the CVS Coupon Center, but you'll hear a lot of people call it the red box at CVS. So this is what we're talking about. You just scan your CVS card right here where it says scan, and then your coupons will come out, and these are free coupons. You can also use this machine for price checks. So if you see something and you don't know what the price is, just scan the barcode right here, and then it will tell you on the screen what the price of that item is. You can do so much at this machine. Okay, so I just scanned my card, and you can see right here on the screen it says thank you for scanning and please wait. Now it's saying success, your coupons are coming out, and here they are. And I don't have to use these right now. They have an expiration date on them telling me when the last day to use them is, but it's so fun to get so many, and there's so many deals that you can do. Now, if you sent any coupons to your CVS card on the app, and I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but for those of you who don't know, on the CVS app, there are also more coupons that you can select to have them sent to your card. And I just selected a few coupons, and that's why these say the coupons that are sent to my card. So these are already loaded on to my card, and that's what that means. But now I'm going to try and put together a really quick deal that we can all do, and I'll walk you through it step by step. It's going to be quick, and it's going to be easy. So the first item we're going to get is right here is the Gain fireworks, and let's get in really close on these ounces. This is the 10 ounce. So we're getting the 10 ounce, and let's look at the price. It's priced at $5.94. So it's $5.94. That's this price at the top right here. It's $5.94 for the 10 ounce of Gain fireworks. So we're getting these for $5.94, but there is a coupon on the CVS app, a digital coupon on the CVS app available to anyone. Just go on your CVS app and you can get this coupon. The coupon is for $1 off when you buy one Gain fireworks. So we're just going to go ahead and get one of these for $5.94, and we're going to use that coupon for $1 off. So go ahead and do that if you want to do what I'm doing. It's going to be quick and easy, and we're going to do that really quick. The deal that we want to do is right here. It says spend $20 on select products and get $5 back. So we're going to put together this really cool quick deal with $20 worth of products so that we can earn an additional $5. And if that doesn't make sense to you, and if you feel like I'm going too fast, don't worry, I'll explain it all again. So the next item we're going to get is going to be the Downy. This one right here is 60 loads. Let's get in really close on those loads. It's very important that you always get the right sizes. So let's kind of zoom in on this. Okay, so you can see the loads and the ounces, and it's a part of that same promotion. When you spend $20 on select products, you get $5 back, and we're going to spend $20 total. This is going to be amazing. It's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. Everybody can do this. So get one of these. It's $5.94, but there's a coupon on the CVS app for $1 off. So add one of these to your cart, and we're building a pretty good transaction already. They even have the Downy down here. They have infusions, and they have Free and Gentle, and they even have Wrinkle Guard. So choose the one that you want and make sure it matches that coupon on the CVS app, and you're ready to move on to your next item. Okay, so I was looking in the ad while I was walking on to my next item, and I saw that this roll of Scott paper towels, this 6 roll, is also included for $5.49. It's included in this deal that when you spend $20 on select participating items, you get $5 back, and that's the deal that we're putting together. So I'm looking at all of the included items, and I know right away Scott paper towels, definitely want to do it because I always use paper towels. So if you're doing the deal that I'm doing, go ahead and add a pack of Scott paper towels to your transaction. And as you can see right here in the ad, there's a 50% off coupon right there on the CVS app. So clip that too. So now if you're doing what I'm doing, let's go over what we should have in the cart. You should have your Scott paper towels. Your 6 roll might say 6 equals 11, or your 6 roll might say 6 equals 9. So I have my roll of Scott paper towels, and then I have a Downy, and we're using $1 off digital coupon for that. And I have Gain, and we're using $1 off digital coupon for that. And for the Scott, we're using that 50% off digital coupon. Now we're almost to $20 worth of stuff. We have $5.94 over here, $5.94 over here, and $5.49 over here. Now we just need to add a few more things, and I already know what I'm going to add. I'm going to add Kleenex. They're 99 cents each, and they're also included in that same deal. So I'm just going to add 3 boxes of Kleenex because during the season I can always use them. So I'm getting 3 boxes of Kleenex, and that puts me in a really good position because some of you might have, I like these, some of you might have this really great coupon that I have. It's for $2 extra off when you spend $8 total on paper towels, tissue, or facial tissue. So with these, at $5.49 and then getting 3 of the Kleenex, then I'm really at the $8 mark to use this additional coupon that I'm going to use. So if you have the additional coupon, use it. If you don't have it, that's okay. This is still going to be a great deal. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, you're ready to check out. And make sure you have all of your digital coupons. You don't want to get up to the register and you haven't clipped them, so just go on your CVS app and make sure you have pressed that button, that select button, on all of these coupons. If you have, then you're ready to check out. Let's go. Okay guys, so my transaction was a success. I got everything that we talked about, the 3 Kleenex, 1 Scott paper towels, and then I got that Downy and the game. Now let's look at the receipt. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Everything's on there, and then boom, the coupons came off. You see that coupon for the Downy, then the coupon for the game, 50 cents off for the Scott, and there's that bonus coupon that I told you about, $2 off when you spend $8 on household paper products, which we did. We got the paper towels and the Kleenex. My total came out to $15.84 plus tax. Now your tax is going to be different from mine, so we're not going to focus on what my tax was, but you should expect to pay $15.84 plus tax, but you're going to get $5 back. Okay, so $15.84 plus tax, and you get $5 back. I think that's a great deal for all of this. Now, we have $5, and you guys know I like to spend my $5 immediately at CVS. So that's what I'm going to do. There's a deal on the paparazzi nail polish. Buy 2 for $5 and get $4 back in CVS money. This is CVS money. They call it extra bucks, but sometimes we call it CVS money, and that's what we got back. So if I buy 2 of these for $5, I would just totally use this to pay. That means it'll be free for me. Then I'll still earn $4. That seems like the perfect deal. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm just getting 2 of the nail polishes just like that, and my total is gonna come up to $5. And once my total comes up to $5, I'm just going to use, well, $5 plus tax, I'm going to use this $5 that we earned to pay for it and see if we get anything back. All right, so I just handed over that $5. My total was $5 plus tax. Wow, oh my gosh, it came down to just tax. So it's basically free plus tax. And let's see if I actually get the $4 back, because that would be awesome. We didn't spend any money out of our pockets, but hopefully we'll, oh my gosh, guys, look, I think I earned $4. Okay, so it really worked. Check it out. My total came out to $5 plus tax, and my tax was like 35 cents, but you can see right there, I used that CVS money that we had previously earned. My total came out to $0 plus tax. That was awesome. And I still got $4 extra back. So now we have another $4 to spend. It's like we just keep loading up on stuff and getting more money back. So I'm looking around the store to see what I want to spend my $4 on, and I have a few ideas. So let's look around together and see what we can find. Okay, so since we have $4 to spend now, I'm thinking I'm going to spend it on cereal. There's a great coupon on the CVS app for cereal, and I'm like, why not? It's for General Mills cereal. So that's like your Cheerios and things like that. So I think I'm just going to grab 2 boxes of Cheerios. They're $1.99 each. That comes out to $3.98 if we get 2. So we're going to get 2 for $3.98. But then there's a coupon on the CVS app for $1 off. So that means we'll be getting 2 boxes of cereal for only $2.98 with that CVS coupon. And to top it all off, it's not like we're paying out of our pockets. Remember, we just got that $4 back. So this $4 is totally going to pay for it. We're only spending $2.98, but the $4 will cover it, and it still leaves us room to get something else. Okay, so we're spending our $4 and we have 2 boxes of cereal, and now we need to spend like $1 more. So I'm over here on the dollar aisle. You spend your extra $1 on whatever you want to spend it on, but I'm over here on the dollar aisle because I always need something from this aisle. There's always something that I need from this area. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab maybe like a hand soap, because I was running out of hand soap and plastic cups. I might get something like that, or I might get something like dish soap, because that always comes in handy. So I'm on the dollar aisle. You choose what you want. Just know that you need to spend about $1 more in order to use your $4 in CVS money. Okay, so I have the cereal up there and the soap up there, and I'm going to use this $4 that we previously earned. So this is what my total is looking like before any of the coupons or anything comes off. And we have, guys, check it out. I have a bonus coupon for an extra 50 cents off of my cereal. If you have that one, your total will be even cheaper. So that put me down at $3.55, but I have $4 whole to spend. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and add something for 50 cents or so, just so I'll spend that entire $4 because I don't want to give not one dime away, right guys? All right guys, so this is it. This is a look at our final haul. Guys, we did all of this with only digital coupons and it was quick and it was so easy. Now let's go over the first transaction. We got the Scott, the Kleenex, and the Gain, and it came out to about $15 and some change, but we got $5 back. And with that $5, we got the paparazzi nail polish. It came out to $5 even, so it was free. We paid with the $5 that we got from the first transaction. Now, because we bought the paparazzi nail polish, we got an additional $4 back. We didn't pay any money and we still earned $4. With that $4, we got 2 boxes of Cheerios and dish soap and candy. Let's look at that receipt. Check it out. I got a Snickers, 2 boxes of Cheerios, and a dish detergent. My total after all the coupons came out to 17 cents. And guys, that was pretty much tax. So our whole total for the day was about $16, and all we used were digital coupons or coupons that we got right here in CVS. Anybody can do this. You don't need to get a newspaper. You don't need to clip anything. None of that. All you need to do is have your CVS app and come in the store and do exactly what I did. All right, OCC gang, so before we completely end the video, I want to tell you how I got my total even lower. Yes, I was able to get an additional $3.50 back just by going through Fluz. Now, I'll explain how to do it in the description box below, and I'll explain how to do it in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments because OCC gang is super helpful, and I know that all of you guys will help each other out in the comments below. So if you want to get an extra $3.50 back on this transaction, it's super simple and it'll only take like 2 minutes to do. Also, after I did that, I also went to Fetch Rewards and scanned my receipt, and it turns out I got points back for buying the Scott paper towels. So if you're not signed up for Fetch Rewards, you can sign up for Fetch Rewards and you'll get an additional $2 in points just for signing up. Guys, if that sounds confusing, don't worry about any of it. I'll link all of it in the description box below, and I'll explain it all in the description box below. That's it for this video. All right, OCC gang, I'm out.